And I just made this video because look at, we found a dead bird. Aww, look at that little guy. Isn't that cute? I'm just kidding, it's not cute at all.
It's like
It's
dead.
dead.
That's
Aww. I feel so bad for him.
dead. And guys, watch this.
Come on, guys. To make him alive, please get us 5 likes on this video. Please subscribe. And thank you.
To bring him back to life.
To bring him back to life, yes. Hey, don't throw a rock at him.
Hey, it's dead.
Still, bro.
Look, it's when the Christians bomb things. Ew, it's his duty. Ew, he pooped before he died.
No, he didn't.
Say your last words.
It was so bad for this guy.
What if it's a lady?
I don't care. Okay, guys. Please get us 5 likes so this
Little birdie.
beautiful bird that died can come back to life and